Hi everyone, Caroline here. Today I am so excited because I want to share with you one of my top powerful crystals. And seriously, if you truly need an all-in-one powerful higher level cleansing and transmutation crystal, you need look no further than this crystal, Indigo Gabbro, aka Mystic Merlinite. This crystal, Mystic Merlinite, I love that name by the way, Mystic Merlinite. It's beautiful, don't you think? It is, right? Yeah, this crystal is fantastic for clearing negativity. It's great for cleansing and for higher transmutation of negative energy into powerful, higher light energy. And the beauty of it all is that all those qualities are found in this one crystal, Mystic Merlinite. Crystal lovers, you know my friend Indigo Savage, unfortunately he passed away last year. He's the one who introduced me to the energy of Mystic Merlinite. He used to tell me how much he loved this crystal and how amazing he felt when he was wearing this crystal. And because of his enthusiasm about this crystal, I started getting interested in this crystal, but I never really got the crystal. And then one day, by sheer coincidence, one of the healers that I really love and respect started telling me about the qualities of Indigo Gabbro. And that conversation inspired me to get Indigo Gabbro. And once I started working with this crystal, I was just like, oh my God, I gotta get this crystal. I gotta share it. I gotta share the information that's coming through from this crystal. And I believe that people really need to know about this powerful crystal. This crystal, Mystic Merlinite, is one of the crystals that I consider to be a must-have crystal, especially for those who are really focused on their spiritual advancement. It's a very useful crystal, especially because its energies tackle both the physical issues that you are facing, no matter what they are, and then it also transmutes those issues into a higher power or a higher level of light. So it's just such a great crystal for spiritual advancement. And I always refer to it lovingly as my all-in-one crystal for the highest good, because it does everything in one go, or it can do everything in one go if you know how to work with its energies, okay? So, do you have a Mystic Merlinite crystal? If you do, that's awesome, yay! And if you don't, no worries, I got you covered. I've got some Mystic Merlinite crystals on my website, crystalstock.com. You can check them out there and grab yourself a piece before they run out, okay? Anywho, Mystic Merlinite is a volcanic stone from Madagascar. And volcanic stones are very fast-acting stones in terms of how their energies form from deep within the volcano and how they emerge from these heated situations and then cool down situations and imprint those energies in situations we might be facing if you're looking at it metaphysically. They're just such remarkable stones. Besides that, the most important thing that I want to share with you about Mystic Merlinite is the vibration that it holds in its colors. On a general level, Mystic Merlinite is an all-round powerful, grounding, protective, stabilizing stone. And on more specific levels, this all-in-one powerful stone has 3 colors that hold a very special vibration. It has black, it has indigo, and it has violet. The black color in Indigo Gabbro is a color which we all know absorbs toxic energies. So anytime you're working with Mystic Merlinite or Indigo Gabbro, however you choose to call it, anytime you're working with this crystal is absorbing those toxic energies and those negative energies from your physical situation, emotional situation, mental, or even spiritual situation. It's a great crystal for that. And then the other thing is the indigo color. Indigo is a very rare vibration and a very powerful color for spiritual upliftment. And most crystals in the natural do not have the vibration of indigo. The color indigo is a color that's linked to higher consciousness and spiritual activation. So when you're working with Indigo Gabbro, the black color is absorbing toxic and negative energies, and the indigo color is really raising your consciousness higher and also spiritually activating you all at the same time within the same crystal. Another awesome thing about the indigo color is that indigo, it's a high chakra color that's used in healing as a pain relieving color. The way indigo works is that it condenses pain and limits pain. So if you're experiencing some type of physical pain, emotional pain, mental pain, or whatever, and you're working with indigo gabbro, you are really enjoying a lot of benefits because the black is absorbing the toxic energies, your consciousness is being raised, you're being spiritually activated. The indigo color is also at the same time relieving that pain, which brings me to the third vibrational color, violet. Indigo gabbro also has violet. There's black, there's indigo, and there's violet. And the color violet, as we know, is a powerful color for transmutation of energies. As a matter of fact, there's so many spiritual traditions that work with the powerful violet color to transmute negative energies into higher light. You know, there's all these types of spiritual modalities and even healing modalities that really send out that violet flame to transmute negativity. So within this one crystal, you just have such a powerful force, you know, to absorb negative energy, to condense and limit pain, raise your consciousness and spiritually activate and also transmute, you know, negative energies into higher light. So you really can't go wrong. And that's why I tend to think, or it's my belief, that indigo gabbro crystal is one of those self-cleansing crystals that we have, because within it, it absorbs negative energy by virtue of the black, and then it transmutes that energy into higher light. So in a way, it's always cleansing itself. But for me personally, even though I might imagine that a crystal is self-cleansing, I still always apply a regular cleansing schedule for my crystals as need be. So as you can tell, indigo gabbro is a very powerful crystal. I even have it in a little pendant over here. I just love this crystal. Do you have an indigo gabbro crystal, mystic Merlinite? And how do you use it? How do you experience it? Let me know in the comment section. And if you don't have one, remember that you can grab a piece at my website, crystalstock.com. And until next time, may the powerful force of love be with us all. See you guys.